Alright guys, so something a little different for you guys. We're out here in Crystal Cove here in BC, and we're inside a Cougar RV. Yes, no more hotels but an RV. So as you walk in, as you can see, there's your screen shutter door with your actual door, and just to open it, and just so for you who are coming and don't want to get confused, all you gotta do is just pull this latch and it'll pop right on open for you, and then when you want to shut it, just pop it back open. Here's the entranceway. There's a mat, and there's a little tablet, or a piece of paper, not a tablet, with all the information you need. My cell phone's in there. Got a couple storage bins here. A fire extinguisher, which is a must-have. And then if we pan on this side, here's the walkway to the first bedroom. And I'm going to pop my shoes off here because I do not want to ruin their nice carpet. Here's the washroom facility. Everything is so nice in here. I've never seen things like this. There's a washroom, toilet paper, and clearly your sink. Yeah, that works. And there's me. And believe it, I've never been in an RV, but here's a shower if I can pop it open. I don't want to break it. I don't know how this thing works. Oh. Of course, there's a latch there. But anyways, there's a shower. You can pop in and take a look. That's what it looks like inside. Here's the first, oh, more storage rooms. Oh, wow. They got towels for you. And a couple more storage. It's just like a hotel. Here's the master bedroom. We'll go ahead and get on out of here. And then you walk into the master bedroom. It's set up just like a hotel because it is a hotel except in an RV. You got your temperature control and everything in here. Really nice little area here. You got more linens for the pull-out. More storage room. Even more storage room. And even more storage room. This place is full of storage. You got your light controls up on the ceiling. Just like that. And you got yourself a little... All these things are like locked in place, so I'm not going to open all of it, but yeah. So as we walk out of there, and as I try not to hurt myself, here you've got all the controls for all your lights and ceiling fans. You got your DSI water and heater, your porch lights, which you can turn on and off, your floodlights, which you can turn on and off, and your ceiling light. As well as you got a general, just an electric heater wall unit you can turn on and off. Plus your light switch, which activate those lights. Here's the rest of the room. Once again, this is a Cougar RV. On this side you got more cabinets stocked with glasses, cups, wines, dishes, everything you need to cook yourself a good meal in an RV, which I probably won't be doing because I'm too lazy. Up here, more storage room, and down there, pots and pans to cook more stuff if you need it. Here's the refrigerator unit, or refrigeration unit. It's somewhat cool. It's not the best, but it does work. And keep that shut. Here's the freezer unit. Also works. Nice. And then in an RV like this, you get plenty of storage. Lots of it. Look at this. Stay here for a week, no problem. Like I said, there's even, oh wow, there's even cutlery down here, cutting board, some other stuff. So, oh jeez, look at this thing. Tongs to cook a good steak meal or whatever you want to cook. All down there. Small little convectional oven. Yeah, and you got your coffee pot, pots and pans, a microwave, nice and clean. You got your light for that, works like a beauty. Well, this is the first time ever, I've never, this thing actually cracks me up. They put these sugar little packets into a container. Not really sure what the point of that is, but okay. You got some tea bags in here, yeah, Tavana's tea. All within reach. You get that little notice on the side wall there. You can read that if you want. You know, it's nothing important, but... And then, here's the rest of the room. Nice carpet. They gave us 4 complimentary bags, because there's 4 of us out here right now. Yeah, nice little dining area for 4 people. Works perfectly well. Some soft chairs, which is beautiful. And then this is your lounging area. 2 nice chairs. And one of the things with RVs these days is the amount of storage. Like, there's another light. Here's even more storage. You just got storage every single place you can find. Look at this. Even more storage back there. So everywhere you go, you can find storage places. There's 2 lounging chairs for you to just hang out if you want. We got another ceiling light up here. A lot of lights up here, it's crazy. And then you got yourself, I think that's a 32-inch television. A nice, I guess they put a a mobile heater in here with all your radio controls and everything else. Sofa, which is a pull-out couch. There's even more storage up here. As you guys can see, I've just been flipping open storage containers. There you go. This is our Cougar RV again, once again. Look at the amount of lights in here. Like, I'm addicted to how many lights are in here. But yeah, out here in Crystal BC. And the going rate for this, I think right now, is $250 a night. So if you ever want to book yourself one of these RVs, it'd be kind of cool. Crystal Cove BC here, just off of the, it's about 20 minutes out of Tofino. So yeah, pretty cool, guys.